Hello, in front of me I've got Assassin's Creed Shadows. In this video I'll show you how to use scouts. In the beginning, let's go to objectives and find quests you can use scout for. For example, the Fatherless Monk. The quests where you can use scouts are the quests with clues. As you can see right here, we've got clues. He's south of Sakai, west of Izumi Coast, and he is at Gansenchi Temple. Select this quest and go to World. Firstly, make sure you've got quests available, scouts available. Now, find the location, and once you found the location, press where button. Now, dispatch. And we've found him. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, subscribe,